Hi, this is my submission for Capstone for CS50's Introduction to Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. Today, I'll walk you through my web application, which I built using Python, Django, HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript, plus some magic with APIs. Let's look at my Gemini page. So first, let me log in. Actually, I'll register as a new account. So this is a clean UI that works on multiple screens, and you can click speak to ask it any question, and it just simply responds. So let me show you a demo. Hello, how are you?
Hello. As an AI, I don't have feelings, but I'm functioning perfectly and ready to assist you. Thank you for asking. How are you doing today?
And it continues the conversation, but I click stop to stop the conversation intentionally. You can also customize it with system instructions, and that's where that gets really fun. So without system instructions, it was very plain. Like, it's an AI, it doesn't have feelings, and it's very plain. Now, like, for example, if I can say, Foo, I am Foo, and I am a Python developer taking CS50. And I can make it friendly, be casual with a few jokes. Now when I say the changes, it gives me a nice prompt saying that it's updated successfully. And now, when I ask it the same question, hello, how are you? Now, it will respond very differently and in a much more personalized way.
Hey there. I'm doing great, thanks for asking. My coffee levels are optimal, and no seg faults to report, so it's a good day. Winking face. How are you doing? Ready to conquer some more CS50 challenges, or just chilling out like a Python script without any imports?
So as you can see, that was much more personalized. As it knew I was taking CS50, I do Python because I'm taking CS50, and it was much more fun. So in general, the system instructions gives you complete control on how Gemini responds to your requests. This entire tech stack is powered by Django for the backend and a little JavaScript with HTML and CSS to make it responsive. For the AI section, I used the Gemini 2.5 Flash API, making secure requests from the backend. Thank you for watching.